I see, I see. Or no! Fuck! Okay, I thought I seen. Oh, of course. It was just as easy as flipping the switch. It's always as easy as just flipping the switch. You know, it always makes it out to be something harder when it's not. Oh no, this looks really, really familiar. Okay, let's do this. Wait. What the hell? Was that like a glitch? Probably. I am just gonna hide right here. As long as this doesn't, like, crash. Oh! Oh! What? No! Ow! Ow! No, die! Just die! Die! Come on! Are you serious? Okay, now that that's out of the way and I completely fucked that up, let me on the box. God, everything, it just wants me to die. Oh, God. No. Oh, God, the jump controls are so floaty in this game. Well, the moving. Like I said, I was never really accustomed to this game, but hey, it's still fun. Oh yeah, this is usually where I take a break. So, I'm going to take a break. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm obviously back. I stopped before a loading screen. Seriously? It's like, oh, hey, I'm going to take a small break. Even though I took a break for like a day, you just went, wait a minute. I'm going the wrong way. Well, that would explain the loading screen entirely. Hey, Aaron, pay attention. Okay, here we go. Let's get ready. I hate bull squid. Run. Hooah. Oh god, they're everywhere. Okay. 1, 2. Yeah. Hey. Okay, takes care of one. I think there's only one more. I'm gonna be smart about this. Not really! Okay, 2 bull squids down. I am already 10 times stronger than I was before. Hey! I said hey! What's going on? No, seriously. Maybe I'm supposed to be back on the pipe. Oh. Well, hello there, ladder. I did not see you there. So, okay. Okay, fudge. Okay, you know, one thing I have to get used to with this game is, like I said, it's very floaty feeling. Also, since I took a break, I've been looking at the comments, and I see some people are really upset. Well, a very small amount of people. It's like, why aren't you playing Source? Well, because you voted on this. So, Cry River? And a few other things. It's like, oh, the sound. Actually, the sound's pretty loud. Not everybody has an issue with the sound. I mean, I usually always try to make the game, you know, volume smaller. I mean, that's how it works. So, if you have an issue with that, you don't gotta watch. So, deal with it. I did turn it up a little. Oh, God. Okay. Wait, this looks familiar. This looks really familiar. This isn't what I think it is it? I've also been in a weird mood recently when it comes to doing walkthroughs, but hey, you guys know that. And I've been doing some soul searching, and here I am. 10 times better. Hey! What's going on? Silly bull squid, give me my, oh. I thought that was... Whoa! God, itchy trigger finger. For a second I thought that was, some kind of ammo. Is that explosive? That definitely answered my question. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Yes! Okay, just don't get hit by the shockwave. Oh, come on, fall off the edge. It was hilarious. Come back. Okay, so, these guys are apparently called Hound... Wait. Oh. Oh, that wasn't a good idea like I thought it was. Yeah, I see you down there, Bulls. Oh my god! Okay, so I probably shouldn't have blew the bridge up. Let's remember that next time. Can I do the super jump? Whatever, let's just do it. Okay, okay. Whoa! Okay, I'll admit. This game scares me sometimes. Way scarier than Half-Life. Silent Hill. This game has so many loading screens. God, at least they're fast. Oh, come on! Oh, I was gonna be all like, boom! Oh, no, 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 oh, no, 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 I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I know what's coming up. I'm sorry, I can't hear a word he's saying, so... Oh, whatever. Well, he had a heart attack, so... Okay, let's go. Well, at least I didn't have to do it. Thanks for doing my job. What's up? If only that worked. Okay, so we gotta get... Whoa! We gotta get the power back, the oxygen and fuel back, and then we will destroy the evil tentacle monster! I really don't know what to call it, so yeah. Oh. Gordon Freeman strikes again. Oh, wait. I think those will blow up. Hold on. Let me just grab my group. Okay, I got nothing. You know, I honestly thought I was going to be fine, okay? Yeah. Wait, was he still talking? That's realistic. Okay, so, let's quick save. I think it can't hear you as long as you're crouched. Excuse me. Go down the ladder. Go down the ladder. Go down the ladder. Stay crouched. Okay, so it's definitely going to hear us. Now, I want to test something. Quick save. Get out the grenade and throw it over there. Okay, so it definitely thinks I'm over there. Good boy. Stop it. I have to go that way. Okay. Shit. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, I have nothing else to say. Okay. Quick save. Okay. God, 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 God! Okay. Okay. Everything is fine. I remember this part. There's a lot of backtracking to do in this. Okay, wait. That's an explosive barrel. Don't blow it up, or I'll blow the bridge up like last time. Just in case. Okay, so, the zombie's confused. That's good. Come here. Get away from the... Get away. Don't look at it. Look at me. I will try running past him. Oh, man, if only you saw my face right now. Man, this is one of those times I wish I had my ugly face on webcam. My ugly, fat face. Jeez. Oh, man. God, that was really close. Whew. Is something gonna break? Like always in this game? What's that? Is that a zombie? That's the fuel room. So let's see. We got 2 pumps here. I'm sorry. I think I've come down with the cold. Oh, yeah, they're down there. There he is. What's up, broski? Of the week. Heh. That was simple as it should have been. Am I supposed to shoot this?